Can I predict what AI will look like in 10 years? The future of AI is a topic that's both exhilarating and a bit daunting. We're on the cusp of technological advancements that could redefine what's possible. In this video, we'll explore what AI might become and how it could reshape our world in ways both astonishing and unsettling. Predicting the future of AI is tricky for several reasons. The rapid pace of development means that today's breakthroughs can quickly become tomorrow's baseline. We're also grappling with complex ethical dilemmas, like ensuring AI systems are fair and transparent. And then there's the unpredictable nature of emergent AI behaviors. Sometimes, the most groundbreaking capabilities arise in unexpected ways. As AI continues to advance, it's likely to become even more intertwined with our daily lives. One area where we can expect significant evolution is in advanced personalization. Imagine AI systems that don't just recommend products or content, but anticipate our needs before we even realize them ourselves. Autonomous systems are another area of growth, with self-driving cars and drones potentially transforming transportation and logistics. AI is also poised to make a huge impact in scientific discovery. From analyzing vast datasets to simulating complex systems, AI could help us unlock new insights into the universe and solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. And then there's the concept of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, an AI system that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks, potentially rivaling human intelligence. The potential for AI to alter daily life is vast. Imagine waking up to an AI system that has already optimized your day, from scheduling appointments to suggesting the best route to work. Or picture AI-powered virtual assistants that can help with everything from household chores to complex problem solving. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it also raises profound philosophical questions about the nature of consciousness and intelligence. In a future where AI significantly alters daily life, we'll have to consider what it means to be human. Will AI augment our capabilities, or will it fundamentally change who we are? These are questions we need to start thinking about now, as we develop and deploy AI systems that will shape our world for decades to come. To wrap up, the future of AI is full of exciting possibilities and complex challenges. From advanced personalization to the potential for AGI, there's no doubt that AI will continue to reshape our world. The key is to ensure that this transformation happens in a thoughtful and intentional way. If you have your own thoughts and predictions about the future of AI, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on technology and future trends. We'll be exploring many more topics like this in the weeks to come.